Snappa Vmate is a light, compact, and high-performance smart camera integrated with a micro 3-axis stabling system. The amazing palm-sized body allows that you can easily carry it anywhere, capturing great moments at any time. Vmate integrates Snappa's newly designed micro 3-axis stabling system, which can effectively eliminate shakes and jitters when handheld filming during movements, giving you an incomparable high quality and smooth video. Vmate is equipped with a 4K camera, which utilizes a 12 million pixel sensor and a high-definition wide lens of 81 degrees with the latest high-performance and low-energy image processor. The video resolution can be up to 4K, 60 frames per second. Unlike the ordinary gimbals, Vmate is palm-sized and weighs only 118 grams. It won't make you tired during your journey. Vmate is your best filming assistant in travel, party, interview, or live streaming. Vmate is equipped with a 1.22-inch touchscreen with high brightness up to 850 nit, allowing you to frame clearly even under bright sun. The touchscreen allows you to set controls and change the configuration with a finger touch. The camera head on Vmate can rotate by 90 degrees. You can switch between horizontal and vertical shot in a flick. If you want a better preview on a larger screen, you can use a mobile phone together. Vmate built in a Wi-Fi module, allowing to connect to a mobile phone. With the dedicated app, you can do wirelessly preview and remote control the Vmate. The Wi-Fi module also allows to wirelessly synchronize the files from Vmate to your phone anytime and anywhere. The provided carrying case is not only for protection purpose, but also a foldable phone holder to which you can attach a phone for more comfortable grab. A good video always comes with good audio. Vmate has a dual microphone system, providing 2 audio recording modes of noise reduction and stereo. You can select the mode that best fits your needs. Vmate has a built-in Bluetooth module. Aside from the built-in mic system, it is also possible to use any Bluetooth microphone, making the audio recording much easier. Broadcaster mode lets you spend less time editing. Now, selfie camera and gimbal are both recording at the same time. Show the scenery and give comments at the same time. Up to 8 times slow motion lets you stop time and watch cool action in details. The POV mode allows the gimbal to follow all your movements and recording first-person view footage. Time-lapse, motion-lapse, hyper-lapse allows you to squeeze a long period of beautiful time into a short clip. Night shot makes the dark night clear and colorful. Expand the view on your photo by shooting a 3x3 or a horizontal series of photos and stitch them together. Smart tracking automatically keeps your target centered in the frame.
For years, we have been dedicating ourselves to the development of innovative filming products and kept tracking new solutions and improving filming experience. The Vmate is our 3rd generation consumer-level product. It took us almost a year to make it. Structured design optimization, all kinds of combined tests of more than 200 parts, and repeated verifications on functions and feasibilities. At present, we finished the main R&D work and proving, and have just started pilot production. Also, we have prepared the first lot of material for Vmate to be ready for mass production soon after the pilot run. Just like before, we choose to first release the Vmate on Indiegogo platform. We really hope that a new product can give all of the backers a brand new and wonderful filming experience with great portability and convenience. We rely on your support and acceptance.
The LeveTop T1S is all set to launch with features that will leave you amazed. The wait is almost over. The latest generation being introduced uses a portable design that ensures top performance and portability. It, with the battery, only weighs 250 grams. Most of the countries do not require any registration. It is easy to use. Once you connect the drone to the app on your phone and the drone's Wi-Fi is connected, it just takes one click for the drone to take off. It comes with an added camera at the bottom. The best-looking aerial shots from overlook lens, affording a different view of the landscape. There are 5.8 Gs for your optional that give a distance of 500 meters. With a removable 1100 milliamp 3S battery, it can fly for 20 minutes. When battery lower, it returns from where it took off. The newest version has the latest Sony camera with an 8MP 120-degree field of view camera, which produces perfect shots, just like a bird's eye, to see the world from a different perspective. Just tap Follow Me, help you free your hands from the controller. In addition to that, the 4 brushless motors power the drone with a maximum speed of 22 kilometers per hour. GPS technology and GLONASS for satellite navigation to make the flying more accurate. You can take clear and full HD shots and videos with a 1080p camera, allowing you to seize the moment. Share high-definition pictures on your social media. Explore a new destination with the perfect travel companion. LeveTop. Thank you for watching.